my name's Natasha. Welcome to X1 Media City. This is one of our amazing apartments in Tower B on the 13th floor that's just newly become available. As you can see, we've got some amazing views here. Media City is a great location, just a stone's throw away from shops and a few bars just down the road, and you've got some great transport links right into Manchester city centre. This apartment is £900 a month. As you can see, this is the living area here. All the furniture is included, and like I just said, some amazing views out the window. Just straight through this way, you've got the kitchen area, which is fitted with an electric oven and hob just there, and you've also got a built-in fridge freezer, which is great. I'll take you through and show you the rest. So this is your first bedroom. Again, all the furniture you do see comes with the apartment. You've got some beautiful views out of the window there. And you've also got electric heating systems in each room as well. This is the second bedroom, an amazing size, really spacious. Again, all the furniture you do see does come with the apartment. And just straight through here, you've also got the ensuite bathroom. I'll take you through and show you the main bathroom in the apartment. Again, a brilliant size. You've also got the added bonus of a bath. Just through here, you'll find the washer dryer, and then you've also got a storage cupboard on the end. So this is one of our amazing 2-bedroom apartments at Media City. Again, this is on the 13th floor and available at £900 a month. If you are interested, feel free to get in touch with myself. My name is Natasha, my email address is natasha@x1management.com, or call the Manchester office and I'd be more than happy to help.